I'm Brian.
And I'm Sophie.
We're the Little Ranch, and today we're planting onions. This is the bunch of onions that we got from the garden center. And to begin planting, if you're not going to use all of these, you'd select the strongest ones. So for example, the ones with the best roots or with the biggest onion down here. So I'm going to take some of these out. They have them in clay, but I potted them that way they wouldn't die because I wasn't sure how long these would last. So for example, this one would be a stronger onion to plant and a better choice instead of this one. You see how this one has little roots, it's a little stem. The bulb here is pretty good sized, but compared to this one, it just doesn't compare. Because of the root length, this one is much larger, it has much more spread of roots, and the plant itself is much longer and healthier looking. So for our little home here, we're gonna plant about I'd say 10 to 15. Also, you'd want to look at the leaves because right here you see how this one is sickly and this one is bent already, but then there is new growth here. So just weigh the factors of the plants and decide for yourself which one you deem the best quality. Here are 15 onions that we're gonna plant. They have good strong roots, good strong bases right here, and the new growth seems healthy too. According to the Farmer's Almanac, the onions should be planted 4 to 5 inches apart. So that's what we're gonna do here. And to plant the onion, I'm not gonna use a shovel because the plant is so skinny. It's about, I think it's smaller than my finger. And I'm just gonna use my finger because it's not that long either. So I'm gonna put it right down there in that little hole right there. And then I'll cover it back up. And then cover the leaves, making sure the plant isn't damaged, making sure it's straight, everything is nice. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of fertilizer. It's a young plant, so I don't want to burn it. And that's that. Like I said, the planting techniques are pretty much the same for the different plants in the garden. Some might require a trellis, some might not, different spacings, minor differences like that, but the general techniques remain constant.
Are we putting all of this?
Yeah, we're gonna, as with all plants, trees, bushes, tomatoes, peppers, and onions, you want to water them after you plant them. This helps them get over the shock. It helps the fertilizer sink in a little bit better. It helps the plants to assimilate to the soil a little bit better. It has a lot of benefits, and it's the customary practice after you transplant plants to water them. We're the Little Ranch,
And we're finding our little corner in this world.
make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.